Hello, hi. Welcome to TechIn. Today we are going to discuss about Java Development Kit 12. So we will see what and all new features that are available as part of JDK 12, which was released on March 19th, 2019. So in this video, so we are going to see the high-level features that are provided by JDK 12. What's new in Java 12? So many of the features have been introduced in Java 12. One of them is Shannon Dawa algorithm. A low-pause time garbage collector has been introduced in the new JDK 12. And what's 189? So if you're wondering what 189, so 189 stands for JEP number, which is Java Enhancement Proposal 189. So this implementation comes as part of this JEP 189. Also, microbench suite has been introduced as part of JEP 230. A new enhanced switch expression has been introduced as well, and many of the JVM constant API also updated. So one more is Arch 64 port not 2. Default CDS archives, abortable mixed collection for G1, promptly return unused committed memory from G1. So these are some of the important features that were released as part of JDK 12. So just to rephrase, so Shenandoah algorithm has been introduced, microbench suites have been added for performance testing. Also, a new modified version of switch expression has been introduced. Also, a new package has been provided to handle JVM constant APIs, and duplicate source code has been removed, particularly for ARM64 port. Implementation source codes have been deprecated in the JDK 12. Also, defaults for class data sharing has been enhanced. Many of the garbage collection things have been tweaked, like abortable mixed collections for G1, also promptly returning unused committed memory, heap memory back to the operating system. Let's go in detail about what exactly this feature has to offer. So Shenandoah algorithm, a low pause time garbage collector has been introduced, and this reduces the GC pause times by doing the evacuation work concurrently with the running Java threads. So this is more to do with the garbage collection and effectively managing the pause time. Micro benchmark suite uh, based on the Java micro benchmark harness JMH. So they have been introduced in the JDK 12. So new packages have been added. Stable and tuned benchmarks which are targeting the performance testing will be included in the source code as well. JVM constant APIs. So as we are all aware that class files as a constant pool which stores operand for bytecode instructions in the class. And a new package has been introduced, java.lang.invoke.constant, which is capable of describing all loadable constant. So all loadable constants includes classes, methods, operands, so etc. etc. This will provide a developer to handle these constant APIs. So right now only programs which have access to class file modifications are doing it. So another feature is removal of the source code related to ARM64, since there are two versions. So in this release, so they are removing the ARM64 port source code and retaining only the 32-bit and 64-bit ARCH64 port. The default class data sharing archives has been enhanced to generate the class data sharing using the selected class list. So earlier, if you developer wanted to take advantage of this particular feature, they were supposed to use xshare dump command line augment, which they no longer have to do. So which will be auto done by the JDK 12. So this is said to be, improve the performance during the startup time since it's auto. So one more garbage collection improvement. So is abortable mixed collection for G1. So make J1 mixed collections abortable if they, taking more time or exceeding the pause targets. Make all pauses in G1 abortable. So promptly return unused committed memory from G1. This is one more feature. And most important of all is the enhancement they have done for switch expression. So as we all aware that switch statement is in a legacy C style. So in this particular release, it has been extended to use it either as a statement or as an expression. So this enhancement will support the pattern matching, which comes as part of Java Enhancement Proposal 305. So this particular release will have a new form of switch label, which will be written as case label and the direction symbol. Let's have a look at the traditional switch statement, which looks typically like this, as we are all aware. So it will have a switch statement with a case matching labels. So whichever the case label matches appropriate, linked block will be executed. So here we can have a break, or even it can fall through the different case labels. And finally, if nothing matches, the default will be released. This is a traditional switch statement. So right now, the modified version will look something like this. So we will have a case, we'll have a label, and we'll have what needs to be done right next to it. Like this is how a switch expression looks like. If the day is Monday or Friday or Sunday, it returns 6. If it is Tuesday, 7. If it is Thursday or Saturday, 8. Or if it is Wednesday, it returns 9. This acts as an expression here. If you look at the way the syntax is written here, so this follows case label and the reference operator. So you can also specify the default block there. So also you can have a block which returns a result here. If you see the third one, so here we can see the switch statement returning a result in the default block. These are the couple of cool features that are added to the switch uh, statement or expression in the JDK 12. Hope you have enjoyed this. So keep watching for more videos. Have fun. Thank you.